Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: a data-capable USB cable and the phone unlocked. Once connected, set USB mode to file transfer or RRendis on Android. Make sure tethering is enabled in settings. On Windows, open Network Connections. On Mac, check System Preferences Network. This step creates the interface. It must appear before drivers. If the interface is missing, toggle the cable and USB mode. You want the OS to detect a new network adapter. Then proceed to driver and configuration steps. Once the interface exists, you handle drivers and addressing. Update or reinstall the phone or RRendis driver. Device Manager will show a warning icon if misinstalled. On Mac OS, confirm the USB interface appears under Network and add it if absent. Next, try DHCP. Most phones provide an IP automatically. If DHCP fails, assign a manual IP on both ends using private ranges like 192, 168, 42, X and subnet 255, 255, 255. You finish by validating connectivity and resolving last-mile issues. Ping the phone gateway first, then browse to confirm internet access. If you see link but no internet, reboot both devices and disable, then re-enable the tether adapter to reset the network stack. Make sure no proxy or VPN is blocking traffic. If the PC never detects the phone, enable USB debugging on Android and reauthorize the computer. That often forces proper driver negotiation. If problems persist, try another cable or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.